Good morning, students. Welcome to Bharat Education Society in Kartika High School and Junior College, your computer online class. Today's video, we are going to learn Chapter 10, Animating the Presentation. Let us start animating the presentation, animating the text and the object. To apply a custom animation effect, to add sound to an animation. Slide transition. To apply slide transition. Starting a slideshow. Now let us start with practical. Click on Start button, Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on blank presentation. So you will get the first slide here. Subtitle. Here you can type your name or standard deviation. Suppose I have typed KHS, Kartika High School. Okay, and standard here. So standard 7. So today's video we are going to learn in a practical animation, custom animation, slide transition and slideshow. So first we will learn animation. Animation means we are giving a text and object to effect. Okay, so we are giving an effect to the text and object. So let us see how can we will give the effect to the text and object. Okay, so first you select the text, select the next new one slide. We will select the next new one slide and type your Kartika High School. And Junior College. Okay, so I want to give the effect to this text. Okay, so first I will select this, go to the animation. From here I will select the animation. Okay, so there is a animation. So any one of these I can select as per wish. So first suppose I have selected this one, so I get the text effect to this animation. Now if I don't want this, I can remove also. So click on none, so this effect will remove. Now suppose once again I will show. First you have to select, then go to the animation. Here you get the different types of animation effect to here. So I'm selecting grow and shrink, so this text will be grow and shrink. If you want to see the preview of this text, so go to the animation. From the advanced animation here, go to the animation pan here, play from. So see the effect of the slide. Now my slide, this text is running outside of this text, so I will. Okay, now see this preview of the text. Okay, so this text has get animated by grow and shrink. Okay, so this way I can give the effect to the text. Now suppose I have selected, I want to give the effect to the object. So first I will select any object. So first go to the insert tab, select the shape tool. From there I will select this face one. Now select this. So I have selected this face. Now I don't want this color, so I will select this, change the color of this face, and I want to move this face left to right. So I will go to the animation. From the animation tab, I have first selected from the text, but I want to add a animation. So I will click it on down arrow. Here I get entrance one. There is a custom animation. They are given the name. So first one you can see there is a different types of animation. So here it is a entrance, emphasis, exit. Okay. So these are the name of the custom animation and motion path. So if there is a given the shapes, so these are the animation effect, custom animation effect. So there are the 4 options are given here: entrance, emphasis, exit and motion path. Any one of these you can select and give the effect. If you don't want any, if you don't like any one of these, go to the more. So go to the, I want more motion path because I want to move this space left to right. So I will go to the motion path, more option here, custom animation. So I will select this left to right. So I have selected this option left to right. Okay, click on OK. See that second one effect. See, so this way I can give the effect to the object also. So I have given a custom animation effect to this face. So this face is moving left to right. So this way you can give the custom animation effect to your text or object. Now let us see the transition. Transition means we can give the effect to your slide. Means here you are giving a effect to the slide, not for text or object. Okay, you have given a animation effect to text and object. Now you are going to give the effect to your slide. So there is a slide transition. First you select first one slide, go to the transition tab. Here you will get the transition to this slide. So any one of these you can down arrow click, you will get the gallery. There are the number of options as it is animation. So any one of these you can select as per your wish. So I have selected this curtain one. Okay, so for first slide. Now second slide I will say take a next one. So this aeroplane one. Okay, now even though you can give the sound effect while when you are presenting your presentation on slideshow, so that time you want sound effect. Okay, so you can give the sound effect. So first I will give this clap one, applause. Okay, select this, and even though you can select the duration. So this sound effect in the timing tab. So go to the sound effect, select the applause. Okay, sound effect here, and you can select the timing also, or you want on advanced slide. So you can click on mouse clicking also, you can select, or after clicking also. Okay, so I have selected this duration. Now let's see the slideshow of this presentation. Now if you want to see the presentation of the current slide, you can select the current slide, or from the beginning also you can select from the beginning. On presentation online, you can give it custom slideshow also is given there. Set up your slideshow means you can hide, if you are having a 10 slide and among that you want to hide the slide, you can hide also, or you can set the time also your slide. Okay, and here it is a recording slideshow means if you want to record your, means you can make it a audio also. Now let's see the beginning. Okay, now first slide I have not given any sound effect. Now this way you can give the animation to your, this way you can give the animation effect to your slide. Okay, so this way you can make your presentation more effective and attractive. So we have learned here how to give the animation to your text object. In that custom animation also we have learned, and slide transition. In that slide transition we have learned how to give the effect to your slide and sound also, and in a slideshow how to run the presentation. Okay, so today's video, that's it children. I hope you get the lesson. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.